If you want to learn how to post on x.com, also known as the Twitter app, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the full posting process step by step so you can share your thoughts, add media, create a poll, and publish your post with confidence. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple app guides. All right, let's jump in. First, open the X app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look for the post icon in the bottom left corner. This is the button you'll use to start a new post. Tap it, and a new text box will appear where you can begin writing. Now type out whatever you want to say. This could be a thought, an update, a question, a link, or anything you want to share with your followers. Keep in mind that X posts are meant to be short and engaging, so try to make your message clear and easy to understand. If you want, you can also add hashtags to help people find your post more easily. Under the text box, you'll see several useful options. If you want to make your post more visual, tap the photo or video icon to add media from your phone's gallery. You can choose one image, multiple images, or even a video, depending on what you want to post. Adding media can help your post stand out and get more attention. If you want to make your post more fun, tap the GIF icon. This lets you search through animated GIFs and insert one directly into your post. GIFs are a great way to add personality, humor, or emphasis without typing a lot of extra words. You can also create a poll if you want your audience to vote on something. Just tap the poll option, then type your question and add up to 4 multiple choice answers. You can even use emojis in the answer choices if you want to make it more eye-catching. Polls are a great way to encourage engagement and get quick feedback from your followers. Once your text, media, GIF, or poll is ready, take a final look to make sure everything looks right. If you're happy with it, tap the Post button to publish it to X. Your post will then go live and be visible to your followers, and depending on your account settings, potentially to a wider audience as well. And that's it. You've just learned how to post on x.com using the Twitter app. It's a simple process once you know where the Post button is and how to use the extra tools below the text box. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.